Okay. In this class, we will do the textual work of this lesson. Now, all of you open page number 41. Open page number 41, children, all of you. Yes. Huh? Okay. Okay. You all have submitted the book to the school, right? Shh. I know. You don't have any with you. Okay. I forgot. Okay, once again, I will repeat the important topic which we have learned in this lesson. Lesson number 8, more about festival. More about festivals. In this lesson, there are 3 types of festival which we celebrate. Which are those? 3 types of festival. Which are those 3 types of festival, children? First one is national. Very good. First one is national festival. First one is national festival. Second one, which is the second festival? Second festival which we celebrate means second type of festival. Nobody? What? No. Huh? I am not asking about the national festival. It is done. Which is the second type of festival which we celebrate? Diwali is called what? Religious? Huh? Independence Day. No, see here. Religious festival. Second one is religious festival. Third festival. Third type of festival is very good. Harvest festival. These are the types of festival. In national festival, there are some national festival that we all celebrate together. We all Indians celebrate together. It's called national festival. Okay. Here we will not see our religious or our tradition. We all Indians together celebrate this festival. That is Independence Day. National festivals. Yes, national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day. Next is one more. Yes, Gandhi Jayanti. Now tell me, when we celebrate Independence Day, when we celebrate Independence Day, August 15th we celebrate Independence Day. Why? Why we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th every year? Tell me, why we celebrate? Yes. Huh? Why? Because our India got independent from British rule on this day. That's why we celebrate August 15th as our Independence Day. When we became independent from British rule? August 15th, 15th of August 1947. Okay, so we celebrate that day as Independence Day. Next is Republic Day. When we celebrate Republic Day? January 26th. Every year January 26th we celebrate Republic Day. Our India got democratic on 26th Jan 1950. So we celebrate that day as Republic Day. We celebrate it because the Constitution of India came into full effect. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो इस दिन से शुरू हुआ है, इसलिए हम जनवरी 26 को रिपब्लिक डे करके हम मनाते हैं. डू यू नो हु रोट आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कौन लिखा है? संविधान बोलते हैं उसे हिंदी में. हमारे संविधान किसने लिखा? डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर जी ने हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को लिखा है. ओके, he has written the Constitution of India and effectively we started to follow all those constitution from this day. So we celebrate 26th January as a Republic Day every year. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. Jayanti means birthday. How we say in English birthday is called Jayanti. जन्मदिन को जयंती बोलते हैं. ओके, गांधी जयंती. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? October 2nd. 2nd of October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Who is this person Gandhi? Listen. Gandhi कौन है? Gandhi ji is a father of nation. We call him as Mahatma Gandhi, and Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Understood? He was a freedom fighter and he believed in ahimsa rule, that is non-violence rule. बिना बंदूक, बिना गोलियों के, बिना मारपीट के ये हमारे देश को स्वतंत्र दिलाए हैं. He followed non-violence rule to get independence. Okay. And next is religious festival. Which are those religious festivals, children? Religious festival. One is coming after 3 days. Which is that? Yes. Ganesh Chaturthi. Holi. Diwali. Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, Guru Purab, Ganpati Indian years. So all these festivals are called religious festival because we celebrate all these festivals according to our religious. Some people celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, some people not. Some people celebrate Christmas, some people celebrate Eid, some celebrate Guru Purab. So these are the festivals celebrated according to their religion and custom. Okay, so these festivals are called religious festival. So these festivals are called religious festival. Anna, yes, ये फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड ना आरना, ये फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड चिल्ड्रन। Okay. So these are the festivals are called religious festival. Which are those? Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Guru Purab. Okay. And next is Harvest Festival. What is Harvest Festival? Harvest means what?
Pongal.
What is Harvest Festival? Not which is Harvest Festival. I am asking what is Harvest Festival. Harvest is the time of the year when crops are cut and collected from the fields. Harvest is the time when crops are cut and collected from the field. खेत में सभी फसल को काटने का एक टाइम रहता है, 3 महीने में, 4 महीने में, 6 महीने में से काटते हैं उस फसल को, पता है आपको? उस टाइम को बोलते हैं हार्वेस्ट। काट के उसे खेत से, उस फील्ड से कलेक्ट करके एक जगह जमा करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्ट, हार्वेस्टिंग। हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल मीन्स जो भी फसल है हम लाके एक जगह जमा करते हैं, वी कलेक्ट इन वन प्लेस एंड वी ऑफर पूजा फॉर दैट ग्रेन्स और एनीथिंग। अभी चावल मेरे खेत में मैंने चावल डाला है तो उस चावल को एक जगह में ऐसे जमा करती हूँ, तो उसको मैं पूजा करती हूँ। Okay, I do puja for that grains, that is called harvest festival. And farmers, they make varieties of sweets on that day to celebrate this harvest festival. Harvest festival is one of the biggest festival for farmers. They celebrate this festival across the India. Different state, people of different states celebrate different type of harvest festival. In our side, I am from south. In south side, they celebrate Ananya Chobari. In south side, they celebrate harvest festival in different name. For example, in Tamil Nadu, they celebrate as Pongal, right? In Tamil Nadu, they celebrate as Pongal. In Kerala, they celebrate as Onam. In Orissa, they celebrate Bihu. And in Haryana, Punjab side, they celebrate Lohri. Lohri, Lohri. But in my side, in south side, they celebrate it as Hostu. They call this harvest festival as Hostu. Hostu is nothing but new crop. Hostu means new, naya fasal. They celebrate as Hostu and they make varieties of sweets on that day. Okay. So in different state they celebrate it in a different way. So first harvest festival is Pongal. Where we celebrate this Pongal? Pongal is celebrated in which state? Yes. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu and they make one dish on this day. That dish name is also Pongal. In that Pongal there are two varieties, sweet Pongal and Khara Pongal. Khara means spicy. They prepare two types of Pongal, rice item it is. Okay. The dish name is also Pongal. Who celebrates this Onam? Kerala. Yes, in Kerala they celebrate it as Onam.
In Kerala.
Yes. Bihu is celebrated in yes, Assam, Odisha. Okay. Lohri,
Punjab.
Punjab, Haryana. Okay. Punjab, Haryana, and in Himachal Pradesh they celebrate Lohri harvest festival. Okay. Any doubt regarding this lesson, children? Do you have any doubt regarding this lesson?
No, ma'am.
What? Pongal is the harvest festival that is celebrated in January in Tamil Nadu when newly harvested rice is cooked. तमिलनाडु में राइस बहुत वो खेती में राइस बहुत उगाते हैं. So this Pongal is nothing but it is one of the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu celebrated in the month of January, and they also prepare a dish, rice dish cooked by rice. They also prepare a dish cooked by rice is called Pongal. Two types of Pongal they mix: Khara Pongal, sweet Pongal. Pongal is a four-day long harvest festival. See, the term Pongal is called to boil. Pongal is called to boil. Boil का मतलब पता है आपको? बॉईल करना, हम एग बॉईल करते हैं, राइस बॉईल करते हैं, पल्सेस बॉईल करते हैं. पता है आपको बॉईल का मतलब? पानी में बहुत देर उसको पकाना, that is called boil. Pongal means to boil. वो राइस बहुत, वहाँ राइस बहुत उगाते हैं, तो उस राइस को पकाने का जो है प्रोसेस is called Pongal in Tamil. So the harvest festival name they kept Pongal, that is to boil. Understood? The child who asked the meaning of Pongal, who asked? किसने पूछा मुझे इसका मीनिंग? Tell me children, who raised this doubt? पोंगल का मीनिंग किसने पूछा था? Nobody? Okay, whoever it is, even I come to know the meaning of Pongal. Pongal means to boil. Thank you so much whoever asked this question. Any doubt? ऐसे आपको भी डाउट पूछना है कुछ. It is not like that I am 100% perfect. मुझे भी कुछ चीज नहीं पता रहता है जो मैं आपसे सीखती हूँ. आपको कुछ नहीं पता है तो आप मुझसे सीखते हो. Just raise your doubt. Anyone? Yes? No doubt? Okay. I will give you one activity to make at home. Now after 3 days Ganesha festival is coming, right? So for that you all need to prepare one greeting card. Okay? Will you do that? You need to, yes. Make a greeting card. Huh? Yes? Yesterday only Ganpati? Okay, very good. See, make a greeting card for an approaching festival, that is Ganesh Chaturthi is ahead. Give this card to your friend. Prepare one beautiful greeting card on the occasion of this Ganesh Chaturthi and give to that greeting card to your friend. Okay? Make one beautiful card, draw Ganapati picture, anything you want. I am not restricting to you all to do what I said. How you feel? What you want to do by yourself. Okay? And in next class, show that card to me in this class. How you all have prepared. I want to see. Okay? Again, I have to repeat all these things. Where you were? Aniket? इतना लंबा कहानी बताया. Now he is asking what is activity. You all have to prepare one greeting card approaching this festival, Ganesh Okay, now you understood about our national festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Yes. Now tell me. Okay, tell me what is Republic? Republic means what? Republic. Republic means what? In Kannada we call it Prajaprabhutva. Republic means what? Where a country can choose its leader. Republic country, इसका मतलब where a country can choose its leader. अभी हम सब वोट डालते हैं. See, can you see this? Yes. देखो, हम लोग वोट करते हैं. हमारे लीडर चुनने के लिए हम लोग वोट करते हैं, है ना? सी मैंने भी वोट किया है परसों कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शन में. हमारे लीडर हम चुनने का जो राइट्स हमें मिलता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिपब्लिक. वी कैन चूज आवर लीडर. इसलिए आज हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हम नरेंद्र मोदी जी को चूज किए हैं. हम लोग वोट डालकर उनको चूज करते हैं. यस. When you became 18 years old, you also can vote for your favorite leader. Okay? वोट डालने के लिए कितने एज रहना है? What is the age limit for this voting? 18 ईयर. आपको 18 ईयर का होना है, उसके बाद आप वोट कर सकते हैं. So republic means a country where people choose their leader. Okay? Republic means a country where people can choose their leader. ये हमारे हाथ में रहता है. हम किसको वोट डालते हैं ना, वो जीत के आते हैं और हमारे कंट्री को और हमारे स्टेट को वो रूल करते हैं. ओके. एंड नाउ टेल why we celebrate this Republic Day? Because why we celebrate Republic Day? Tell me why we celebrate Republic Day. अयो, हाँ? हम रिपब्लिक डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? We celebrate it because the Constitution of India came into full effect on this day. What is this Constitution? Constitution means what? Constitution का मतलब क्या है? प्रजाप्रभुत्व. Constitution मतलब प्रजाप्रभुत्व नहीं. Republic means प्रजाप्रभुत्व. Constitution means संविधान बोलते हैं. I know. I'm not asking meaning. Definition. Constitution का definition. ये क्यों चाहिए हमें Constitution? संविधान हमें क्यों चाहिए? हम ऐसे ही खुशी से नहीं रह सकते. Why we need this Constitution? A set of principles by which a country is run. We need a set of principles to run one country. How? We have a set of principles to run this school. है ना? We need a set of principles or not? आप स्कूल को कौन से भी टाइम आओ, नो प्रॉब्लम, कभी भी जाओ, कुछ भी पढ़ो ना पढ़ो, ऐसे रहता है. We need to follow a set of principles. We need to follow a set of rules. That is called Constitution. हमारे कंट्री को रूल करने के लिए कौन रूल करता है हमारे कंट्री को? A person whom we choose because ours is republic country. हम वोट डाल के जिस आदमी को हम चूज करते हैं, उसे सेलेक्ट करते हैं, वो इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो करना है पहले. और बाकी के जो इंडियंस जो है वो फॉलो करते हैं कि नहीं वो भी देखना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अ सेट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल by which a country is run. अगर हम यहाँ कुछ गलत काम करते हैं तो हमें पनिशमेंट मिलता है. If we do some wrong thing, we get punishment, right? We get punishment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that comes under this constitution. Okay, that is called constitution. If we Indians, if we do any mistakes, we are punished. That comes under this constitution. हर एक गलती का, हर एक गलत काम का इस constitution में सजा लिखा गया है. Who has written this constitution? डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर हैज रिटन दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. उन्होंने उसमें क्लियरली मेंशन किया है कि कैसे गलती को कैसे पनिशमेंट देना है. जैसे हम लोग यहाँ डिसाइड करते हैं, लाइक हाउ वी डिसाइड हियर इन द स्कूल फॉर इफ यू डोंट डू एनी होमवर्क, व्हाट पनिशमेंट विल बी गिवन टू यू ऑल. If you all are not irregular to the school, what punishment will be given to you all? That we decide here in the school, right? The same way, in our India, in our country, this constitution decides what punishment to what type of mistake. Understood? Yes, very good. So you understood why we celebrate Republic Day? What is republic? What is constitution? A republic means a country where people can choose their leader. We all can choose our leader because we are in republic country. And why we celebrate Republic Day is because this constitution of India came into full effect. Yes? Yes.
Ma'am, constitution.
Constitution?
संविधान होता है.
संविधान नहीं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब संविधान होता है. रिपब्लिक का मीनिंग प्रजाप्रभुत्व होता है. ओके, एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, रिपब्लिक का मतलब
What? Okay, any doubt? No doubt? Okay. Shall we end our class here, children?